Hey, you! My name is Lina, and I heard that you're looking for an explorer-in-chief for Lower Manhattan. Well, let me show you how much fun we could have if you choose me. First, what are you craving? Ramen? Thai? Italian? A good cup of coffee? Well, let's go. Let's visit the trendiest and the best places, and the ones that you have never heard about, but you should. It's time to eat. Let's go. Second, I know you want to see the landmarks, but I also know you want to take a bunch of photos and see the most Instagrammable places, the hidden gems that will make you feel like a true New Yorker. And I got you. Third, I will bring you to walk with me in the city parks. Let's go for a stroll and unwind, or we can visit all the great museums and galleries. I know you're gonna love it. Come with me. No, choose Lina and I'll make it fun for you, your friends and family. Let's go.